Hey guys, welcome to Long Nips. Today I'll be showing you how to redeem your Lyft promo codes online. And now let's dive right in. Now to redeem your Lyft promo codes online, first open up your preferred browser. You can also do this from the mobile app. Basically the interface will be the same on a little or on a big version. With that being said, let's go to the redemption page of the promo codes of Lyft. With that being said, on your preferred browser, click on the search bar and type in lyft.com and hit on enter. First, you'll be required to enter your account or log into your account. I have already logged into my account, so I'll not be required to log in. And let's go. And after going to the profile section of your account, you can see we're on the profile section, but not the ride or rent or help or business, but the profile section at the top right corner of your screen. Click over there, go back. Now we're on a rent a car, and over here, not on the rent but the right and at the top right corner of the screen, click on your user profile, and over here this panel will appear. Scroll down and you can see the promos option available over here just below the gift card. Click on promos, and over here you'll be required to enter your promo code or which you had received, and click on submit. Then the net worth value of that promo code will be redeemed on your Lyft account over here. And guys, this is how you redeem your Lyft promo codes online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.